This is the second part of my quadratic formula video. Now, do you remember the equation that I wanted you to write down so that you'd have it with you as we continue this lesson? Well, I know some of you're probably just simply lazy, or you probably just forgot, or who knows. Doesn't matter whether you're lazy or you forgot or whatever it is. But I wrote it down again just in case you forgot, alright? We're starting with this. X plus b over 2a squared equals negative c over a plus b over 2a squared. Now, if you have b over 2a and you multiply it by b over 2a, you're going to end up with a number b squared plus b squared over 4a squared. In other words, b squared is going to be your numerator and 4a squared is going to be your denominator. So, now your equation looks like this. You have x plus b over 2a squared equaling negative c over a plus b squared over 4a squared. Now, do you remember my video about lowest common denominator? Well, you're going to have a 4a that you need to multiply this by in order to add this to this. So, we have negative c over a, as you can see right here, negative c over a, and we're going to multiply it by 4a over 4a. Now, if you take 4a and divide it by 4a, you get 1. So basically, we're multiplying it by the number 1. But in this case, we're writing it as 4a over 4a. Negative c over a multiplied by 4a over 4a gives us negative 4ac over 4a squared. Alright, hopefully I haven't confused you so far. Now here's what we're going to do. We've got x plus b over 2a squared equaling negative 4ac over 4a squared plus b squared over 4a squared. So now that we have had this lowest common denominator applied to this equation, we can add these two terms because the denominators are exactly the same. So here we go. If we add the numerators negative 4ac and b squared like this, what we're going to do is we're going to have an equation where it says x plus b over 2a squared equaling b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. See that? Alright, now that we've got this, we're going to square root both sides. Well, the square root of x plus b over 2a is like this, and the square root of the other side is b squared minus 4ac all over a squared, 4a squared, okay? Now I want you to write that bottom equation down. Write it down because in the next video I'm going to tell you the rest of it. And this thing is starting to look a lot more like the quadratic equation that you've been introduced to in your math class. So hang on, there's just a little bit more to go. I'll see you in the next video, so stay tuned.